growing indoor plants is very well experiencing, that gives you pure air as well as natural and relieving greenery around yourselves. One of them is Syngonium plant that is also called as Arrowhead plant. It is known due to its vibrant beauty and air purifying property. Therefore, in this video, I am going to show you Syngonium plant care in winter. If you want to save them in winters, here's all the tips and tricks that helps you to grow them correctly. I have tried to show you all the cares, step by step. So let's begin. Hit the subscribe button to get notified of my videos. Syngonium plant is the one of the most easiest indoor plant to grow at your home. In the winter season, the highly important thing is to put it in a right location. Syngoniums are easy to grow and can easily bear extreme cold temperature of about 10 degrees. But their growth would be very slow in such hard conditions. In the mid-December, the temperature decreases up to 8 degrees on my side, that can be harmful for them. So I have to place my Syngoniums in a warm place. Syngonium can only survive in this killing temperature. So be patient and keep your Syngonium plant in a warm place. If the sun came out, then it will be very beneficial to place them in the sunlight. Syngonium plant stops its growth when the temperature decreases up to 10 degrees. To save your Syngonium plants from the decreasing temperature, you can choose a shady area or you can place it indoors. Hope you understand the point. In winters, a sunny area is best for Syngonium plants to keep its growth constant. Now let me tell you some basic points about Syngoniums in winters. The Arrowhead doesn't grow so fastly in winter as compared to summers. Because it is the rainforest plant, just like the money plant, that like hot and humid environment. In winter, commonly the temperature remains about 15 to 25 degrees on the most parts of the world. That means, the temperature is just okay for them, but not ideal. Syngonium plant grows very fastly, if the temperature is about 25 to 45 degrees, and humidity level also remains high. If you want to get a well-growing Syngonium plant in winter also, then you have to keep it inside a room or maybe a kitchen. Syngoniums are the vine nature plants that grows very well in sun, but lack of sunlight is also not good. So choose a bright and warm spot to grow Syngonium plant. For the next important thing, you have to keep the soil moist. Let me explain you this. If the Syngonium soil is dried, then water it deeply. But if you are growing them in a plastic pot, then the soil doesn't dry out so fastly. That means you have to wait for the soil to dry out a little. Syngonium is a tropical area plant that loves to have a hot and humid environment, and it grows also on its peak point in such place. But in winters, you can only make a humid environment, not the warm one, because the sun doesn't come out daily. For the watering, use a gentle shower and make whole soil fully moist and also sprinkle water over its beautiful leaves. Deep watering enhances the growth of new shoots and also the aerial roots. So water the Syngonium plant carefully in winters. Don't water it if the soil is already moist. Now if we talk about the fertilizers, Syngonium plant is very easy to grow that don't requires regular fertilizing. Let's say, the winter starts in October and goes in February, then you can add 2 to 3 times a fertilizer in whole winters. Fertilizing Syngonium plant once in a month is enough for its constant growth. Syngonium plant is a low-maintenance indoor plant that grows very well if you are using an organic homemade fertilizer for them. You can buy a ready-made fertilizer for your indoor plants from the description box. And you can also make it at home. I have recently made an article on making the best food for indoor plants that you must check out if you have many of the indoor plants. Link is added in the description box. You can also feed your Syngonium plant with simple compost that is also enough, but to get good results use that fertilizer from the description box. The next point is about propagation. If you are going to divide or multiply your Syngonium plants in winters, then it is not so good. Because the winter season is like the resting time for the Syngonium plant. They grows very slowly in winters, and sometimes they even dies due to decreasing temperature. So dividing them in winters is not preferred. The best time to propagate them is in spring season, just after the winters. In the spring, the temperature is moderate, that is best to grow their cuttings. You can air layer their branches, and also divide them into 2. but don't propagate the Syngonium plants in whole winters, from October till February. The next important point is repotting. Syngonium plant should not be repotted in the winter season, because when you repotting a plant, the roots get some stress and shock that is not acceptable for them. Syngonium plant is already facing low temperature effect, and more stress to the plant can cause death. So don't try to repot your Syngonium plant in the winter months. The best time to give a new pot and soil medium to your Syngonium plants is in the spring season and rainy season. I have also made a detailed article on this growing Syngonium plants in winters that helps you to get these points more clearly. You can check out that from the description box if you want to. Now I am going to show you some problems that may occur in Syngonium plant during winter days. Due to the decreasing temperature, the Syngonium plant may show some browning tips and also some of the yellow leaves. But it is a natural process that will be recovered automatically when the spring season starts. You can only put it in shade to protect it from the frost, but don't get panic and start adding fertilizers and pesticides. It is very easy to grow any plant if you have some experience and right information. For that, simply subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notified. So these are the basic points that you must have to know before growing Syngonium plants in winters. For any question, comment below, and if you are interested in growing beautiful roses in these winters, immediately apply these tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.